Welcome guys, today I am with the OPPO Enco X and I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset of these earbuds. So as you can see at the first, I'm currently connected with my earbuds, everything is fine. And to perform the hard reset, you have to open the case and then you have to click and hold this button, this one, until this indicator on the front start blinking 3 times on red. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and just take a look on the indicator. Currently it's blinking on the white. We have to keep holding this button. As you can see right now, it blinks 3 times on red and we can release the button. Right now it's blinking on the white. It means that we successfully restore default settings. Right now they appear right here, so all you have to do, just click to forget device, and right now when you turn off and turn on Bluetooth, you will find them for another time on your list and you will be able to pair them with your device. So yeah, as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.